Today in maths we're looking at estimating answers by rounding, because sometimes you don't need to know the specific answer, you need to know around about how many it is. Here's a rounder reminder to the nearest 10. So we've got 30 here, 40 here, we've got numbers 34 and 38. So 34 is nearer 30, so if we're rounding 34 to the nearest 10, it would be 30. If we're rounding 38 to the nearest 10, it would be 40, it would go up. Anything after 5 and up goes up, 4 below. Here's a rounder reminder for the nearest 100. So I've got 300 and 400, and the numbers 346 and 368. So 346 is nearer 300, so if we're rounding it, we're going to round it down because it's less than 350. And 368 is more than 350, so we're going to round it up to being 400. This is for estimating. So here we have 43 add 36, and we could round 43 to 40 and 36 to 40. So actually we've got 40 add 40. So our answer is 80 if we're estimating it. Here we've got 96 take away 25. So 96 rounded is 100, 25 rounded is 30. So now we've got 100 take away 30, and that's rounded to 70. So here again, we're going to use our rounding to help us estimate. So we've got 164 plus 87. So we're going to round that to 160, add 90, which is going to give us 250. Now we've got 7,965, take away 248. So we're going to round 7,965 to 8,000. We're going to round 248 to 250. So that will give us 7,750. Here's our final examples for today. So we've got 1,745 add 423. So this is going to get rounded to 1,700 add 400. So your answer is going to be 2,100. Our final example is 15,609 take away 2,235. So the 15,609 is going to be rounded to 16,000, take away 2,200. Your answer is going to be 13,800. Today your task is to choose A, B or C and complete questions 1 to 8 with any of those. Look forward to seeing your work.